The National Weather Service of Louisiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following parishes: Grant, Rapids, Avoyelles and Vernon. Stay indoors and away from windows. Threat: winds above 45 miles per hour and golf ball-sized hail, effective until 11 p.m. this evening. The National Weather Service of Louisiana has issued a severe weather statement. The previously issued severe thunderstorm warning has been extended to 12:15 a.m. Continue to stay indoors and away from windows. The National Weather Service of Louisiana has issued a tornado warning for the following parishes and areas: Grant Parish, Northeastern Rapids Parish, Southern LaSalle Parish, Northwestern Avoyelles Parish. A confirmed large and destructive tornado was spotted in northern Grant Parish moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated and ground spotted. Threat: strong and deadly tornado. Stay indoors and go to a designated storm shelter or basement. If unable to, take shelter in an interior room or closet and stay away from windows. Effective until 12:05 a.m. this evening. The National Weather Service of Louisiana has issued a tornado emergency for Northern Rapids Parish. A confirmed large and very violent tornado was spotted moving towards the city of Alexandria from the northeast at 55 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated and ground spotted. Threat: large and deadly tornado. Take cover immediately. This is a life-threatening situation. Do not wait to go to your shelter. Flying debris will be deadly. Effective until 12:35 a.m. this evening.